First of all, I want to thank those who have organised this innovation forum. It's not my first visit to Azerbaijan. Before the pandemic, I had the opportunity to come here and study the culture and the history of this country. So it is very exciting for me to come once again. I would like to start with a story, a short story. A tale of three friends who lived in one town and studied together, met up and said, let us go out into the world and see what there is, what we can discover. After some time they returned. They sat down and the first one, the others asked him, what did you discover? He said, I discovered a mirror where you can see to the end of the world, everything in the future. Very interesting. And you, what did you discover? I discovered a panacea, a medicine for every illness in this world. Very interesting. And what did you discover? I discovered a vehicle that you can get to any place in the world, in the future, in a second. One day they were sitting together and the man with the mirror said, I can see far away a king standing by the bed of his daughter who is dying. So he said to his friend, bring your medicine. And to the third person, let's get into your vehicle. Within a minute they were there. The king had a problem. To who should he give his daughter? The first one had a vision. He could see to distances. But there are many people who have visions that can't put it into practice. The second one, he could put it into practice. He did something. He made something that can help humanity. But there are others who make things and do things, but they put it off. They say, we still have time. The third person with the car, without his speed, they would never have got to the bed of the daughter of the king. Now, I won't answer you what the king decided. But it is important in education, in a technological age, that we must have children who grow up with vision, children that can innovate, and children who want to, that have the determination not to put things off, but to do it in time. I specialise in the field of mathematics. Mathematics and geometry are like ice cream, many flavours. But if we carry on teaching our children in this technological age with a textbook, it is like giving our children ice cream with a broccoli flavour. And I don't think many would be very interested in that. If our education, Mr. Chairman, is not based on the 3 A's, anticipation, action and achievement, then all the technological developments will not contribute in any way for the future generation in their education.
Thank you. This is very interesting answer, because I was expecting that you will talk about technologies, but you talked about kids, and this is the most important element of any innovation. Hörmətli Professor